To the members of the Forced Infiltration Group. Before the war, you all took an oath. Protect and serve the people of Skovmark. At the time, this meant law enforcement, counter-terrorism, the needs of your nation as it were. But those needs have changed, and now we call upon you for what will be your finest hour. You have been cleared for a late-night aerial raid deep into Malden. Across this 6-kilometer zone are several facilities we believe essential to maintaining Malden's missile network. Your objective is to take them out, one after the next, inflicting as much damage as possible and extracting before sunrise. They won't be expecting you, but don't take the element of surprise for granted. When approaching a point of interest, designate teams to block roads and intercept enemy quick reaction forces that may come. Once those are in place, send in your assault teams for the kill shot. Be sure to land together, as lone transports can be easily overwhelmed by concentrated small arms fire. This is the time for swift action and cutthroat efficiency. If you want the FIG to make a name for itself, this is your chance to do it, now. Good luck, soldiers of Skovmark. We eagerly await your success.
So when the time comes, I'm gonna do a little speech. You know, I need a morale boost. I'm gonna pop you in the head with the little detective.
Can I see it?
Yeah, this is true. This is so true.
Can I see it? Will you whip it out for me?
That's so wrong.
Awful. All right.
Will you whip it out?
Nothing happened back here.
God.
I wasn't filleting the officer.
Today, I know our unit was not made for what we're about to do. We're not the U.S. Delta Force. We're the Skovmark anti-terrorist force. But today, our duty is demanded more than the usual. So, I just want to say, good luck, Godspeed, and if any of you fuck up, if any of you waste lives needlessly, this will be your fate.
Alright, step one, do not collide on takeoff.
You can't tell me what to do.
Why do we have one door of the aircraft open and the other door closed?
Just for looks.
For the OCD?
No, this is actually an open air concept. So it's supposed to like bring in a lot of light and stuff.
Okay, be advised, we are going to take some alarms fire.
What? You said that a bit late.
Maybe close the door.
Maybe the open door wasn't the
Close
best
the door,
idea.
please.
Close the door!
No longer
Can we
funny.
close the door?
This is why I chose the funny seats in the back. How much that they won't stop. Is anyone injured?
Alright, out.
Everybody out.
Clear the helicopter.
Roger, attack from the northwest.
Get up to the wall. Biggsworth, you on ground?
We're on ground.
Sweet.
On ground. Took one out on roof. Alright, let's push right. Tunnel alerts to watch there.
Pushing right, copy.
Got it.
Let's do it.
Fucking no, see that.
Pushing.
I'm with you, Orango. Go ahead and push.
Yep, going.
You go. I'll go next. Good. I'm pushing to the stairs.
Whoa.
Shit.
Over right.
Here we go.
Go.
Going along. Watch your friendlies.
Move in.
Yep.
Right.
Hello, friendly. Oh, that's not friendly. Grenade!
That's not friendly.
Watch out. Hello.
Got him.
Medic that man.
I'm up.
Oh my god.
How are you fine?
I don't know. I'm not fine though.
Land right in the middle. We can take it on.
Stop saying check.
Roger, sniper coming.
God damn it! I know.
Check.
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 Shut the
Fuck up. I'm trying to listen to them on the goddamn radio.
I want to be stuck. Why did you open the door?
Oh yeah, I forgot you.
We're getting out too, boys. We gotta
I can fly. I'm licensed. I'm not licensed.
I'm licensed.
Theoretically.
Oh! Oh! I went out. Bit of a rough landing. Check yourself for wounds. Everyone, bandage up. Squad 1, bandage up. if you took damage there, you probably did.
Oh, yeah. Who's injured? Who's injured?
Ow. I think the whole team's been
You
through
can
it.
go and do that now, Spitfire, if your helicopter's there.
Is this? What's this guy steal?
Oh, this guy's alive. I'm mad. Not anymore.
No, he's not.
Big also, I think, is lagging.
Oh, yeah, I think so. What?
Holy shit. Who just blew up?
I guess we're not having a pizza party
Is
after
that Matt
this.
number again?
Here, hold on. Oh, you're good. You're not on fire anymore.
How did I catch on fire for that?
Oh my fucking god. You've gotta be fucking kidding me.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
We got
Coming in? Oh. How you guys doing? You alright?
Oh.
Yeah,
not good.
bad. Wow. Let me help bandage you.
Come south to the radar dish. We need medic here right now.
Pixar, what was up?
I've gotten from the enemy a total of 12 watches. Cannot wait to start my own pawn shop when this is over.
We're gonna make so much fucking money, dude.
You think High Command will trust me with explosives again when this is all said and done?
You've blown up like 6 buildings that aren't the objective.
Die.
Get ready, guys. They don't like it. They don't like it that we're here. Oh, Matt number, please, 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 please.
I don't even like you. I can't imagine
Shit.
how they don't like you.
Ah, fuck it out. God damn it. What the fuck? No.
Get in.
Jesus.
Go.
Push in.
In. Nobody hesitate. Go.
How you doing? You good?
The fuck is this bullshit?
Get out of there. Hold on. I got him. Nade, watch out. I got you. Oh wow.
I'm gonna need a medic.
And second splint. You can still operate with 2 splints, right? One per arm. It'll be fine. Have a little bit morphine as a touch-up, right? Yeah.
I'm taking contact southeast. November 1 has hostiles in the woodland just southeast outside the wall.
Should squad 1 dismount engage?
Is there someone
Alright,
coming at us?
send
There's someone
the
crawling
medic-
up at us.
What's the status on November 2?
What the fuck? Grenade!
Send the medic in the helicopter.
Watch out!
There's too much anger in this helicopter. Y'all need to be positive, okay?
Are we doing
All
group
right.
therapy?
Yo, look, I just
We need to be aggressive. Be aggressive. The pilot needs to use his breathing exercises. He's gonna be okay.
The pilot's tired of waiting half an hour.
No, pilot, breathing exercises, in and out, slowly, okay? You're gonna be okay.
Inhale. Exhale.
Alright, we should be near the LZ. Yeah, okay.
November 1 is landing first, November 2 you can land after.
Get him down, it's fine.
Oh! Oh, fuck! Not like that! Oh! Why is it always like that? Why
Let's
is
try
it
for,
I don't
Easter
have any
landing,
meds!
please.
Hey, look, I wasn't looking. I was honestly looking at November 2.
Oh, actually, hold on. I've got a better plan.
Alright,
Fuck this.
As soon as you're patched up from that bad landing, get...
Okay, I got. Fuck! Ah! God fucking damn it!
What the fuck
Help!
happened?
Oh! Lost a lot of blood. Ronan! Ronan!
Squad 1, come in.
Ronan, you gotta help me! Help! Help, please!
Somebody bandage me!
I do, I've tourniquets. I have, oh, it's all going gray. It's all going gray, oh no. I don't feel like I'm gonna be fine.
Stop tourniqueting your arms if you can. There's no need for them to be tourniqueted. Okay.
Well, that's
At least
compelling.
you can't tourniquet your arms now.
Well, you're good to leave.
My
right?
God,
Are you
he
able to
just
get in?
slumped over.
Oh yeah, he's fucked.
Yeah,
Oh, hello!
Number 2 there as well.
Welcome back to Land of the Awake Coleslaw. No one's ever...
I'm back!
How's that?
Hello.
Welcome back. Welcome back. We're going to rush their WM.
I saw Grandma. She was beautiful.
Man, I wish I could see my grandma, but she's in hell. See from here.
Get on the left. A little more right. You might hit. You're gonna hit the road. Oh.
Three. I'll give you every more projection I have. Oh my god.
Oh, damn. No, just any
Falsies?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's because he's flying.
Our snipers are...
Well, you win some, you lose some. That's what I say.
Oh, it appears we've lost a lot.
Don't run over the friendlies. Mad Dubber, don't run over the friendlies.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god.
We're good, we're good.
Drop the ram!
Oh, it's still enough to just shake my nerves a little bit.
Alright, begin yourself.
Oh, fuck! Clear the helicopter, get the fuck out!
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Clear the helicopter! Shit! Shit! Get down! Get down! Get out of the fucking way of the helicopter. Coleslaw, you good? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, I'm a little bit fucked up. Oh shit, I don't think I have bandages.
The Bubsy have the cast.
Fuck! Fuck! God damn it. You've got to be fucking joking. The guy in here.
Watch out, I'm gonna
Mother
frag him.
Close that door. Fuck. Fuck him. Can you ask for clarification? Boss is dead, never mind. Holy shit, is this a fucking internment camp? What the fuck?
Meanwhile.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Got it.
Yeah, we may have accidentally thrown a grenade and killed 10 prisoners.
We're gonna
What the
review that. Hey, check that building, Neil. Check that building.
Which?
Right there.
There's a lot of buildings.
Check the last one or the second last one.
Second to last.
This one? Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Neil, I need you to know that I was begging them not to throw a grenade in here, and they did anyways.
Oh. Were these all Skovmark? Yeah, this is like the end of Band of Brothers. What the fuck?
Yeah, they're dead. Let's just blame it to the Maldenese.
The Maldenese started executing prisoners when we showed up.
Yes,
That's our cover story.
Definitely. That's our cover story.
How'd you get injured? There's nothing here left. Stop racing the prisoners.
Move back to LZ Golf. Come on.
You can't drift a POW.
Yes, I can.
Started executing them.
Now, on the bright side, I believe that if this is it, the fucking Fig has survived. I'm pretty sure. We haven't lost 100 men.
Yeah, but the sniper team's dead, which is way
No.
more important.
The sniper team was like that was a policy for when the Fig died.
I don't think we're going after that.
How many people died, actually?
Let's start counting.
User in your channel timed out.
You can oh yeah, 44. Well, that's about half casualties. Not bad. No. It's still cannon. It's still cannon.
It's still cannon. You're dead. You're fine.
God fucking damn it. Hi, Tabby. It's your fault for spawning. It's your fault for spawning on Mad Nubber. Okay. All right. You're saved. Your pilot's license is saved. Yippee! Guys, it wasn't cannon. The prisoners escaped.
Hurry up before
Get in there.
Meal.
Yes.
I'm gonna put you in Zeus so you can
Oh,
fucking
okay.
disable your HUD there.
Guys, I'm getting promoted. Promoted.
What a tragic incident today.
Oh fuck, where is it? Oh, fires.
What a
And now we have to wait.
Alright, guys.
I'm gonna pass out.
Let's do a silly one.
Ow, ow, ow. Jeez.
Oh.
What the fuck?
User disconnected from user disconnected.
Oh,
User
my
disconnected.
God. I love that. Let's do a silly one.
That was so good.
Holy shit. Alright.